morning, children. How are you today? Oh, you are very fine, and I am also very fine, thank you. I am going to take English phonic sounds of alphabets. Capital letter C. From the red line, you come right down, take a curve and go down to the blue line. That is capital C. And now the small c will come within these two blue lines. Okay? Now small c. And the sound for the C is K. K E R. K. C A T. Cat. Now see these small letters C and A is between the two blue lines, and the T is from the red line to the blue line. Okay? Then put a comma. C A K E. Cake. I think all of you like cake. So spell cake again. C A K E. Cake. Now C U P. Cup. Now see the C, the U within the blue lines, and the P from the blue line, it comes down to the red line and in between the blue line. C U P. Cup. Now we use a cup to drink water, tea, milk. I think all of you will be using a cup. C A N. Can. Now see the C in the blue line with A and N. Can. All of you bring water cans and come to school, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes. So now A, B, C, tumble down D. The cat's in the cupboard but can't see me. Shall we sing it once again, children? A, B, C, tumble down D. The cat's in the cupboard and can't see me. Do you like it? Shall I sing it once more for you all? Okay? A, B, C, tumble down D. The cat's in the cupboard and can't see me. Do you like it, children? Okay, very good. Now see, big D is from the red line right down to the blue line. Then you take it in a half circle like that. D. Big D. And the small d is from the red line to the blue line. And within these two lines, you will take it. Okay? Big D, small d. And the sound for D is D. D E R. D. Understand? Now D O L L. Doll. I think all of you must be having a doll to play at home, isn't it? Then put a comma. D U C K. Duck. Put another comma. D O N G. Dong. Okay? Now see. Now I'm going to D-E-R is D. The sound of D. D-O-L-L. Doll. D-U-C-K. Duck. D-O-N-G. Dong. So now I'll teach you just two lines of a rhyme. Ding dong bell, pussy's in the well. Come on, say ding dong bell, pussy's in the well. Who put her in? Little Tommy Thin. Who pulled her out? Little Tommy Stout. What a naughty boy was that to drown poor pussycat. Meow. Thank you, children. Now I am sure that you will be knowing A, B, C, D. Capital letter, small letter, and the sound. Ha, B, K, D. Understand? Do you understand, children? Big C, small c. And that, the sound is K. C-A-T, cat. Okay? C-A-K-E, cake. All of you like cake, isn't it? For your birthdays, you must be cutting cake. C-U-P, cup. In a cup, you will drink your milk, your tea, or your water. All of you will be having a cup in the house for you to drink. C-A-N, can. You will bring your water can to school. Mummy will pour water in your can and she will send it for you. So now we will sing. A, B, C, tumble down D. The cat's in the cupboard and cannot see me. Again. A, B, C, tumble down D. The cat's in the cupboard and cannot see me. Nice? Do you like it? Good. Now, big D, small d. This big D, small d, duh. Duh. Now for duh is D-O-L-L. Doll. Spell doll. D-O-L-L. Doll. The next word is D-U-C-K. Duck. Ducks go quack, 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 quack. The ducks will make a noise. Isn't it? D-O-N-G. Dong. So we will take a nursery rhyme. Okay? Ding dong bell, pussy's in the well. Who put her in? Little Tommy Thin. Who pulled her out? Little Tommy Stout. What a naughty boy was that to drown poor pussycat. Meow. Meow.
Good job!
Thank you children very much, and you will practice all this at home with your mommy and you will record it and send it to me. So whatever the mistakes and the incorrect pronunciations, I will correct it for you. Will you do that? So then you'll become clever children, you will learn to talk and write English. Okay? Well done. So thank you very much and see you again.
Hi children, good morning, how are you all? Never seen you for a long time. I hope you are seeing me, watching me. Can you see me? Right, very good. Now I am going to give you a small song. You repeat after me. Parents, kindly teach the children to repeat after me, okay? With action. Ready children? Ready? This song is about fruits. Okay, watermelon. Did you eat a watermelon? You know what is watermelon? Watermelon means in Tamil, what is that? That bish param. No, that is watermelon. Green, it will be green, outside green. When you cut it, it is red with black seeds. It will look very pretty and it's very tasty. Okay, that is watermelon. Then papaya. Papaya. Lovely papayas, no? In the market there. You cut the papaya, it is red, orange in color, reddish in color, with small cutie black seeds. Now, I am going to just teach you about these two fruits. Okay? Come and repeat after me and do action after me. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya. Chinku, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad. Okay children, do you like it? Like it very much? Okay, once more. Miss will teach you once more, okay? Come on. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya. Chinku, 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 fruit salad. Fruit salad. Okay? You like it? Okay. A story about the lion and the mouse. I think so you know the story. Do you remember the story what I told you? I taught you last year. You must have forgot it because of these holidays and because of this corona and all. Now I'll teach you again. Okay, and this story, what I teach you, you record your voice and send it to us. You send it to us, we will choose who says the story better, best. We will put it in the YouTube. Okay, children, now I'm going to tell you about the lion and the mouse. Lion, Singo. Singo, where does the Singo, where does the Singo live? Where does the lion live? In the forest, isn't it? காட்டுல தான் நம்ம சிங்கம். குட்டி எலி வீட்டில் இருக்க சுண்டெலி ஓடு குட்டி எலி இதுக்கும் அதுக்கும் ஓடிக்கின்னு இருக்கும் பார்த்துருக்கியா? Small rat. Now small rat run about here and there, run about there. So this lion, Singo. Lion Singo. Singo இங்கே இருக்கும், காட்டில் இருக்குது. வீட்டில் இருக்கும், எலி கூட வீட்டில் இருக்கும், இல்லை காட்டில் இருக்குது. இது எலி மட்டும் ஓடி இருக்குது காட்டுக்கு. This lion, what this lion was? Lion was sleeping, taking rest in the forest. எங்கே? காட்டில், in the forest. Taking rest where? In the forest. Okay. This rat, mouse, not a rat, mouse. A small rat is called a mouse. Okay. So this mouse running about here and there, everywhere running about. This lion was sleeping there. This mouse crawled on top of the lion. Crawl on its ears, crawling on its nose, crawling on its nose. Lion got up, very angry, disturbed from the sleep. தூக்கத்திலிருந்து கழிச்சிட்டா உனக்கு கோபம் வரும் இல்லை? So the lion got angry. The lion caught the mouse. What the lion did? Caught the mouse. Lion, அந்த சிங்கம் வந்து the எலி பிடிச்சிச்சு and wanted to eat it. சாப்பிட பார்த்துச்சு. This mouse, no. Mouse is small. The mouse said, Lion, please don't eat me. I'm so small. Even if you eat me too, your stomach won't get full. என்னை சாப்பிட்டா கூட உன் வயிறு ரொம்பாது. ஸோ என்னை சாப்பிடாத. Leave me, please leave me. But the lion never left him. Lion caught him. Then the mouse said, you leave me, someday I will help you. என்னை விட்டுட்டா எப்போனா ஒரு நாளைக்கு நான் உன்னை ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுவேன். Who said? The mouse said. So the lion took pity on the mouse and let it go. The lion என்ன பண்ணிச்சு, பாவம் பார்த்து விட்டுச்சு. Okay, let it go. The mouse ran off. After some time, after some days back, one week or 10 days or something, the lion hunterனா என்ன? வேடன்னாக்கா இது மிருகங்கள்லாம் பிடிக்கிறோம், புரியுதா? அவர் என்ன பண்ணாரு? One net. He spread a net to catch the animals. ஒரு வலை ஒன்று வீசினார். யார் வீசினது? வேடன் வீசினார். The hunter. To catch the animals. So the lion's bad time, the lion got caught in the net. Lion என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு? நெட்டில் மாட்டிக்கிச்சு. Okay? The lion tried to row, tried to get out from the net. His hands and legs and all. It couldn't. It tried to bite the cord, but it couldn't. It could not come out. Lion வெளியே வர முடியல. அது வலை நல்ல ரோப்பில் மோட்டாக இருக்கும். சின்ன வலையில் இல்லை, நல்ல மோட்டாக இருக்கும் அந்த ரோப், அந்த கயிறு. அதில் மாட்டிக்கிச்சு, வர முடியல. It cannot come out. It started making a noise. சத்தம் போட ஆரம்பிச்சு. சத்தம் போட ஆரம்பிச்சிச்சு. Then the mouse, a small குட்டி mouse heard it and ran and came. He ran and came and seeing the lion was caught in the hunter's net. The lion வந்து hunter netல வலையில மாட்டிச்சு பார்த்துச்சு. So what the mouse done? It came and bit the cords of the net with its sharp teeth. The mouse has sharp teeth, isn't it? So it bit the net with its sharp teeth and set the lion free. அது ஷார்ப் டீத்தில் கூர்மால அது பல்லில் கடிச்சிருக்கு. அந்த நெட்டு வலையோட கயிறு கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமாக கடிச்சு அந்த சிங்கத்தை விடுதலை பண்ணிச்சு. Let it free. So what is the moral of the story is, no one is too small or too weak to help another. So don't think that you all are small children, you all cannot help anyone. You all can help anyone, any old person by crossing the road. That means யாருமே சின்னவங்க கிடையாது, ரொம்ப பலவீனமானவங்களும் கிடையாது. இன்னொருத்தருக்கு உதவி செய்யறதுக்கு நம்ம எவ்வளோ சின்னவங்களாக இருந்தாலும் மற்றவங்களுக்கு நம்ம ஹெல்ப் பண்ணலாம். என்ன ஒரு ஹெல்ப், ஒரு சின்ன ஹெல்ப், ஸ்மால் ஹெல்ப். யாருன்னா ஒருத்தர் வயசானவங்க ரோடு க்ராஸ் பண்ண போகிறப்போ அவங்கள கூட்டிகிட்டு போகலாம். யாருன்னா ஒருத்தர் வயசானவங்க கொஞ்சம் தண்ணி கேட்டால் அவங்களுக்கு மொண்டு கொடுக்கலாம். அந்த மாதிரி உதாரணம். ஓகேயா?
With another picture composition. Okay, and now what animal do you see in the picture? You see the picture of a dog. That is the first question. And now I'm going back to the second one. What has the dog in its mouth? So you will write the answer. That where does the dog live? What do you have a pet animal? Write down the answer whether yes or no. So now you can name this dog whatever name you want. Okay, now what you do now, you write down these answers to all the questions that I have asked you. Write it on a paper, write your name on it and send it. So we will correct it and we will give you a nice big ice cream. Not a small ice cream, big ice cream. You like ice cream or what do you like? Whatever you like, you write there. We will send it to you. Okay? So thank you, children.
Parents, please pay attention. அந்த ஸ்டோரியோ ரைம்ஸோ வாட் எவர் வீட் தட் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லி கொடுத்தோமோ உங்கள் பசங்க வந்து நல்லா ரிப்பீட் பண்ணுறாங்களா, நான் சொல்லி கொடுத்த பிறகு ரிப்பீட் பண்ணாங்களா என்னன்னு நீங்கள் கவனிச்சிங்களா இல்லையா? ஓகே, நீங்கள் கவனிச்சிருந்தாக்கா வீடியோவோட அடுத்த வாட்டி நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் நாங்கள் போடுறப்போ எங்கள் வீடியோவோட அட்டாச் பண்ணி நாங்கள் போடுறோம். நீங்கள்லாம் பார்ப்பீங்களா? உங்களுக்கு ஆசையாக இருக்குல்ல பார்க்குறதுக்கு, உங்கள் குழந்தைங்க வருதுன்ட்டு ஆசையாக இருக்குல்ல பார்க்குறதுக்கு. ஸோ உங்கள் குழந்தைங்க நல்லா பூஸ்டப் பண்ணி நல்லா அழகாக சொல்லிக் கொடுங்க. ஓகேயா? சொல்வீங்களா? சொல்லிக் கொடுக்க மாட்டீங்களா? செய்வீங்களா? Okay, very good. Dear viewers, do you like this video? If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and do subscribe and press the bell icon. Kindly share it with your friends and relations. Okay? Bye. See you again.